This we can use it as intermediate from the given. Now we'll take LHS and we'll arrive at RHS. What is cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. What is sin of 180 minus theta? Sin theta. So sin of A plus B is sin C. Instead of sin of A plus B, I am writing sin C. What is cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. The session, dear students. Today we will go ahead with the problems of compound angles. See here, they want you to find the value of or prove that as cot 2x. So now we'll start with the LHS. So in LHS they give cos 7x plus cos 3x minus cos 5x minus cos x divided by sin 7 sin 3 sin 7x minus sin 3x minus sin 5x plus sin x. See here, numerator will group these two. It is in the form cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos 7x plus 3x by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos 7x minus 3x by 2. And further I will take minus common in the other two. If you take minus common, it will become cos 5x plus cos x divided by, in denominator, this is sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2, 7x plus 3x by 2 into sin 7x minus 3x by 2, sin C minus sin D. Again I will take minus common. If I take minus common, it will become sin 5x minus sin x. Further simplify. If you simplify, numerator is 2 cos C plus D by 2, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 by 2, 5x into cos 7 minus 3, 4, 4 by 2 is 2x minus cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is again 2 cos C plus D by 2. 5x plus x, 6x, 6x by 2 is 3x into cos C minus D by 2. It will be cos 2x. Whole thing divided by, so here we will get again cos 5x into sin 3x minus sin C minus sin D can be written as 2 cos C plus D by 2. That will become 2x. C plus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2, if you do 5 plus 1, 6, 6 by 2 is 3x into sin C minus D by 2. 5 minus 1, 4x, it will be 2x. So in the numerator you can take 2 common and also cos 2x common. 2 cos 2x will take out common. We are left out with cos 5x minus, so if you take 2 cos 2x common, it will be cos 3x, cos 5x minus cos 3x divided by, again you take out 4 minus 3x, 4 minus 3x by 2 becomes what? This is sin 2x after subtraction, so it will become 4 by 2. So 2 sin 2x I can take out common. So if I take it out, I will be left out with cos 5x minus cos 3x. So in the brackets, whatever we have, 2 cancels and cos 5x minus cos 3x, cos 5x minus cos 3x cancels. You are left out with cos 2x by sin 2x. All of you know cos by sin is what? Cot 2x. Hence the proof. They want you to prove cos 7x plus cos 3x minus cos 5x minus cos x by sin 7x minus sin 3x minus sin 5x plus sin x is cot 2x. So for this we repeatedly use two formulae. One is cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. The other one is cos C minus sin C minus sin D. Sin C plus sin D. What is sin C plus sin D? Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Further, sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. These are the formulae we used and we arrive at the result. So we used the formula and we got the result. I hope all of you understood this. Now further, sin 7x minus sin 3x by 2. Now if a plus b plus c is 180, prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. See dear students, they gave a plus b plus c value as 180. So suppose if you want a plus b, what is a plus b? 180 minus c. And apply sin on both sides. If I apply sin on both sides, sin of a plus b is equal to sin of 180 minus c. Sin of 180 minus c is sin c. So in spite of sin of a plus b, you can also replace sin of a plus b by what? Sin c, and vice versa. This we can use it as intermediate from the given. Now we'll take LHS and we'll arrive at RHS. What is LHS we have? LHS we have sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Sin 2b plus what? Sin 2c. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Now further, sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? Sin c plus sin d is what? 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos 2a plus 2b, 2a plus 2b by 2 into, 2 sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So if plus sign, we will get 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 2a minus 2b by 2, plus sin 2c it is. Sin 2c, I will use multiple angles. Sin 2c can be written as 2 sin c cos c. Further here 2 cancels, so it will be 2 sin a. If you take 2 common, a plus b into 2 by 2, 2 cancels. Cos in numerator, if you take common, a minus b by 2, 2 cancels. So you are left out with what? 2 sin c cos c. Further, we are left out with 2 sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. So dear students, here we have c, but here we have a plus b. But you know that sin of a plus b can be written as sin c. So instead of a plus b, I will write sin c. Cos of a minus b will be as it is, plus 2 sin c cos c. See here you have to understand, since they gave a plus b plus c is 180, if you rearrange c goes that side, sin of a plus b is sin of 180 minus c. What is sin of 180 minus theta? Sin theta. So sin of a plus b is sin c. Instead of sin of a plus b, I am writing sin c. Here we have sin of a plus b. I replace this by sin c. Now in both the terms you have 2 sin c common, take out 2 sin c common, you are left out with cos of a minus b plus cos c. Now this is in the form of cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b, we cannot change this, but cos c we can write. See, cos c, same a plus b can be written as 180 minus c, because a plus b plus, if you apply cos of a plus b is equal to what? Cos of 180 minus c. All of you know cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So instead of cos of a plus b, you can write minus cos c. So or minus cos c can be written as, here we have plus. So if you want minus, I can write this as minus cos of a plus b. Now it is in the form of sin c plus cos c plus cos d. Sorry, cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, a minus b plus a plus b by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So a minus b minus a minus b by 2. So now further simplifying, so minus b plus b cancels, here minus a plus a cancels, so 2 sin c minus into minus 2 sin a plus a is 2a, 2a by 2 is a, again minus 2b by b is sin of minus b, it will be sin of minus theta is minus theta, minus you take out this minus and this minus cancels, 2 2s are 4 sin c sin a sin b you will get. So finally you got RHS. So what is RHS? RHS is 4 sin a sin b sin c, we got it. So dear students, Sine of minus b can be written as what? Minus sine b. You can take minus outside. So this minus and this minus becomes plus. 2 2s are 4. 4 sine c sine a sine b. Rearrange. You can write it as 4 times sine a sine b sine c. Hence this is your RHS, hence the proof. So here repeatedly, whenever a plus b is there, convert it into c. Sine of a plus b is sine c, whereas cos of a plus b is minus cos c. That's why cos c is minus cos of a plus b. So instead of cos c, I am writing minus cos of a plus b. That is the key step. And here sine a plus sine b formula we are using. I hope all of you understood this. So now all these problems set in practice, every problem is important. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.